Hey folks, Adam here, and today we're looking at this. It's a TONOR unidirectional microphone. This is blue. Its connection type is USB. It is one of the best microphones I've ever had the opportunity to use. It's the TC-777. You just plug it in and play, and you're listening to me use it right about now. The little tripod that it sits on is absolutely fantastic. It's a great addition to the desk. It looks professional. This is a Cardioid Pickup Pattern. It provides clear, smooth, and crisp sound, easy for me to say, and it suppresses unwanted background noise. In general, this is a great microphone for conference calls, distance learning, streaming, chatting, podcasting, recording, Zoom, Skype, and YouTube videos. I make dozens of videos every day, so I use this all the time, and it is indeed my preferred microphone. And again, it's easy to set up. You just plug in the USB. It's automatically recognized. And for me, I just had to select which microphone I wanted to use, either the built-in or this one. So go ahead and order today. You won't be disappointed.